Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Julia, aka The Mug Life DIY, and I'm the mug behind the DIY. And if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I have got a really fun, quick little upcycling, recycling video to show you today. But the wonderful little tidbit today is I am inviting you to join in my Flippin Furniture Collab with KRAFTY Leeny. The date for this is, let's see, June 15th, oh no, June 11th. It will be at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be a playlist that you can join in. All you have to do is mention my channel. I am the host of this every single month, and I'm starting it back up this month, and my co-host KRAFTY Leeny. And I will have her channel linked down below so you can check out her amazingness and all of her fabulous, wondrous videos that she makes. She is so much fun to work with, and we've become really great friends over the past year, and I just adore her. So what you have to do is take anything that you have found furniture related. You can make something that's not furniture into furniture, take something that was furniture and make it into something else, repaint it, restain it, break it down and make it home decor. Anything that your heart desires that you can flip into something amazing for your home. I hope you will join in, and I am so excited because this is always a passion of mine, flipping things, giving them new life, and sharing it with you guys, encouraging you to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. So I hope you guys will join in the fun collab June 11th at 5 p.m. I will have the playlist in my community tab and also goes live at 5 p.m. So here's a fun little DIY that you'll get to see today.
All right, so this upcycling video today is actually, I have been wanting to try this out. I have seen several people say how amazing it is and how easy it is, so I decided to try it for myself. I had some leftover Aldi candles with really cute tops, and I shoved them in my freezer. Yes, look at this organization, guys. Like, isn't it fabulous? Real life here, nothing, no bars. Anyways, I froze it overnight, and then I pulled it out, and yes, just started jabbing away. The first one was super hard to get out. It barely had any wax left. Like, I had burnt it down to its last little tidbits. Now, I did decide to keep the leftover wax because I would like to even try to clean the wax up and maybe reuse it into another project. So I decided to just keep that. So I just literally used a butter knife and started scraping out the wax. Now, here was the great one. Did you see how easy that popped out? The one that had more wax, it just shrunk, and all I had to do was release one side of that wax and it just came out perfectly. So I would say it will be a little bit easier depending on how much wax you have in each candle. And I didn't have anything other than some nice warm soapy water, nothing fancy, and I scrubbed these little glass containers. That's all I had to do. I didn't have any Goo Gone or any other chemical. I have heard some people say that nail polish remover, the acetone, I don't paint my nails, if you know, obviously you can tell from my lovely nails. So all I just did was kind of soak them and scrub them with a washcloth, and they came out amazing. So I had some of this Bear chalk spray paint in the classic Noir color, and I decided to spray paint all three of my tops because I actually did find another candle, and I spray painted them all in that black. Now, I did have to do 2 full coats to let them fully dry to make sure that they were covered. I did add a clear coat on top just to give it a nice seal. And while I was aimlessly wandering around in Michael's the other day, I found these little doll heads, and I thought they would be perfect as little knobs, and they were on the clearance section, even better. So I took some of my hot glue and added 2 small little dollops on both sides, or on the top of them, and just placed that flat side of the little doll head wooden bead on top of both. You could dress this up more, you could stencil these, you could do so many things, but I really love just the classic colors, the natural wood, and they become functional decor that I can use. These would look perfect in a bathroom. I'm using them as craft storage, but they can be used in so many different ways. Plus, I mean, come on, how cute are these little doll heads? I have never seen them before and just thought they were great. So I hope you guys will join me on June 11th for the Flipping Furniture with my friend KRAFTY Leeny, and it's going to be so much fun. So I hope you'll stay tuned and check that out. And I'll see you guys next